I'm very happy to have you on this board, and I'm Precious Steel Adeyemi, an AI agent developer and also an automation specialist, building intelligent systems that automate your business operation and finances. All right, so what this project aims to achieve is just to gather all your ideas into one database so that you can go back in there and check the database to check the one you want to use and move on with the progress of all. So these are our input data for, and I've tested this to work. So I'm going to run another test currently now to see how it works and explain the workflow for you. So let's get into it. So these are different table created for this table, this database, and we have the automation made with Zapier on the back end. So we are going to get into it. Firstly, I'm going to start with sending a test email for this so we can see that run before the end of this video. All right, so I'm going to send this. The way it's sequenced is that we are sending this instead to, all right, we are sending it to pressure situation test at this. So, and you can see in this subject we add the tag business here. So the way it works is that any email that contain the tag business is going to be logged under the business table, same as skill. So once we have skill logged over there, it's going to log under the skill table, same as content. If it recognize anything as content in the subject, is going to log it under content table. So that's how the automation works on the back end. All right, so let's see this to work. I'm going to send this email now. Okay, I've sent this. Let's check if it's sent. Alright, so this has been sent already. So before the end of this video, we are going to see it logged on our Airtable table. So let me explain how it works. So this is a list view showing the input data that we've inputted there, and this is the grid view showing the tables. So I feel you can see all these properties, and we have an H flag. So the way this works is that any new inbox that any new record that enters that is at least 4 hours old is going to, and this is the code I use to ensure that is going to log them here. So we can see it has a time sequence. So the same age flag is synchronized for the business concepts table, same as content idea table. And let's see this work. I have something I want to show you. So we have an ROI review here. So if you have any table more than higher ROI, so we can see them here. This filter is working. This is a filter, so we are filtering out potential ROI from business concepts. So let's get into this content idea also. uh all right, so you can check out prioritized content here. Also, it is filtered out, so any content that is on high priority, we are going to get them in this box. Do we get that now? Alright, so let's get into more further details on this page. I saw a notification the other time that our email has been logged. Okay, let's see. Okay, alright, so I want to go ahead and explain the Zapier how it runs. So what the Zapier does is that it takes in any email matching the record from here from the back end. So you can see this. So it's after taking that email, it went on to filter the whole process and see if, and this is the regression code that I use for it. So this, the way this works is that if the text character is up to 20, then it's going to read whatever it's going to read, then it proceed. So that means any Gmail which you are sending to be logged in into the database must be more than 20 text characters. Then we defined a path in there. So the way this path works is that it group it into contents, business, and skills. So if you have anything that fulfill this condition that the subject contain content, is going to get long there. Alright, so I'm going to publish my SAP now so we can see how it works. Oh, I should have published this earlier before. Alright, so let's expect it to run now currently. So by now you should have got our mail. of Okay, on business. Yes, I feel you can see this. this business poultry farm. So let's check on the grid view to see the content details automatically under inbox. Then poultry is a lucrative blah 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 blah. We are going to see more of this there. Can you see what we input already on the Gmail? Can you see it? So it's working and it's fine. So this is the time in which we input the email. So you can check my time here. This is 8:54. We've inputted this by 8:49, and over here it's going to show code storage if it's more than 4 hours. All right, so I feel this walkthrough video is able to show to you that I can organize your Airtable database and your tables same as your properties, and I can efficiently make sure I collect all your data appropriately with higher security and confidentiality. So the filter is working well and all. So with this you can easily manage all your content ideas, manage your agency database, your company database, and you get all your system in one page. I mean in one page. So we can improve this automation more higher so that we send a Gmail notification to some set of people probably to make plans or advances on that. So those are further things that can be done on that, and I'm proficient enough to build any system for you in this way using Zapier, anything, or any no-code tool in automation are based on anything and Zapier. So if this video find you well and you feel you can work with me, so you can easily get into my DM. I'm available so we can discuss how to help your project and your business scale more better. All right, thank you very much and have a nice moment. Goodbye.